This is probably one of my favorite attacks. It's such a super boss-like thing. So yeah, it's pretty much all that actually goes for it. When it hits you, it takes out all of your HP and leaves you at a very low percent. It does have a lot of other things going with it, but that's the main thing I'm focusing on right here. We are making a custom item, so we're going to need an anvil and a structure block. Then drop that as close as you can to the middle. If you somehow pick up more, this will reduce the amount. And by chance, if you lose the item somehow, this will give it back to you. Alright, and we're gonna set up a few scoreboards. This all the commands. Okay. All of these are things that do not disable the Heartless Angel. While you use the attack, anything that comes near you will kill it, except for these. Name this command block bright yellow exclamation mark. I almost forgot to include that to be able to use this, you're gonna have to tag yourself Sephiroth. And there's also the OPK tag, but I don't really have a video explaining all that kind of stuff yet, so that's not really something you have to worry about. Here I'm just gonna be demonstrating canceling the attack. Well, someone else forcefully canceling it.